I'm glad that you, Senator Ping Lacson, is backing up Congressman Leandro Libiste on his fight against corruption. I'm glad that you guys are backing up each other. You're the real crusader against corruption in this country because so many politicians are not fighting for the truth about corruption because they are the goddess of corruption in the country, especially our vice president. She is the goddess of corruption in this country under his lead under her leadership in Davao City had the most corrupt politicians